How to use Binance Smart Chain. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Binance Smart Chain. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I will show you about BNB, what are the different tokens available on BNB, what is the market cap. Then I'll show you how to add BNB to your MetaMask and use a BNB platform, Pancake Swap, for earn and stakes and even to find BNB NFTs. So let's get into it. First of all, I have opened up the coinmarketcap.com for you guys to show you about BNB. So the price for BNB right now at the time of making this video is $289.30. It's a network that allows you to, of course, buy and sell crypto, and it has its own tokens as well. When it comes to the overview of the BNB chart to USD, you can see that this is a daily chart. It kind of like went to 293 as well. This is like our main live chart for BNB. Then we have our BNB price live data. What is BNB? It is actually one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. Binance its own coin known as BNB. With BNB, you can see the percentage right here. Then we have the comparison to Bitcoin and Ethereum too. We have buy, exchange, gaming, and earn crypto option available right here to with our BNB network. Here you will also be able to see the market cap for BNB. Then we have our fully diluted market cap, volume, and circulating supply. So this is like the basic information for BNB. Now let me show you how to connect BNB to your MetaMask. MetaMask.io is a crypto wallet that we can get, and getting a MetaMask is really easy. You can get MetaMask.io with a simple email address. Just create an account and you will get your own crypto wallet. So once you have your MetaMask wallet, it is actually an Ethereum wallet. This is where you will get how to add BNB to your MetaMask so that we can use it with our different platforms and we can connect our wallet to Pancake Swap. This is where I will show you how to earn and trade with BNB. So you can see, go to the networks right here, click on add network. If you do not have BNB network, it will take you right here. You have to enter your network name. So you're going to enter Smart Chain. Then we have new RPC URL. So for that, what you guys need to do is you can go to academy.binance.com. Get right here on this website. You can also just search on Google for BNB MetaMask, and this is the first thing where you will get. So you just have to scroll down to get the information you need. You can see here we have our links given. Right here you can see what we need to do is just copy and paste. Copy the RPC URL from here and paste it in the RPC URL. The chain ID for Smart Chain is 56. So you will enter 56 right here. Currency symbol is going to be BNB, and Block Explorer URL, it's going to be optional. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and copy this link, paste it right here. Chain ID is 56. Currency symbol is BNB. And click on save. I have already added a BNB network. You can see this URL is currently used. So this is just for me because I have already added BNB. Click on save and your BNB will be added on your MetaMask. Then you will be able to switch the networks really easily. You can see our main network. I'm going to switch to BNB. Let's get back and I will be able to show you. You can see BNB. Now I can buy BNB with my MetaMask, send BNB, or even swap. In order to swap, click right here and it will allow you to swap BNB, the Binance coin, to other tokens that are available like BUSD, Binance USD, USDC, DAI, which is, then we have Sushi, AVI, AXS, and others. So you can swap really easily using your MetaMask. Now we have a BNB wallet. We can go to pancakeswap.finance, which is a DeFi protocol that allows you to actually trade, earn, and win crypto with a decentralized platform, and it works with BNB. You're going to click on connect wallet and you will be connecting your MetaMask, as I told you how to add BNB to MetaMask. Click on MetaMask and then what you will do is you will be able to earn, trade, and win with BNB. You can do BNB Smart Chain. Click on trade, click on swap, and let me show you how it works. You can see right here we have BNB and cake. So you will enter the amount in BNB that you want to swap. Let's say we have 10 BNB and it will give me 637 cake at the time of making this video. Similarly, I can actually choose any kind of token from here, any kind of currency, and then what I can do is I can just simply go ahead and swap it to any other token on any of the chains. It is going to be on BNB right here. Then we have earn option, we have farms and pools. In trade, again, we have liquidity, perpetuals, and bridges. In earn, we have farms. So let's actually check out the farm and let me show you how to add liquidity using the smart chain. So you can see with BNB Smart Chain, we will be able to add liquidity to all of these different pairs and perpetuals that are created on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap.finance is actually a really good platform for using BNB Smart Chain. There's already a video on the channel as well on how to use the PancakeSwap. So that will give you a beginner's tutorial to all of the different options available. In order to simply add liquidity to stake LP tokens to earn, what you guys need to do is you will just select the, pair from here, the farm, add liquidity, and you're good to go. With our NFT collection, we will be able to find the NFTs on BNB. So finding NFTs on BNB because it's not that expensive, so we will be able to find very good collections. You can just check out the collection right here. And just like you buy NFTs on Ethereum or Solana, you can buy NFTs on BNB. So this is one of the collections available on PancakeSwap. Let's check out. You can see this NFT is 0.054 BNB, which is $15. This one is $17. Let it actually load really quickly. So you can see this is the one for $15. This is actually a really, really good NFTs on BNB. So there is a NFT marketplace for BNB as well. If you were wondering if you can buy NFTs on BNB or not. So you can buy NFTs as well. You can swap. Then we can add farms and we can add liquidities. Even when option, we have different trading competitions and everything on PancakeSwap, which works with BNB. In trade, let me actually show you the liquidity really quickly as well on how to add liquidity on BNB. So you will click on the add liquidity option given, and then you need to select your valid pair. You can select BNB, and we have some of the other tokens available. So I'm going to select BNB directly, which is going to be the native token. Then I'm going to go with Cake. Let's go with Cake or BTCB, BUSD. We can go with any token. Let's actually go with BUSD. Then you will enter the amount, click on add liquidity, and liquidity will be added to the pair that you have selected, and you will be able to actually add and be a source of BNB. So go ahead and check out the PancakeSwap.finance, which is a BNB platform. It gives you all of the different options such as trading and NFT, the liquidities with BNB Smart Chain, and you will get an idea on how to use BNB Smart Chain. You can also add BNB to your MetaMask so that you don't need to create any other wallet. Make sure to check out the live prices for BNB before you get started. This way you will be able to actually trade with Binance Smart Chain. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.